Hi guys, in this particular video we'll focus on how to play with rows and columns. So you can see that the very first thing we have some unwanted columns. So what I'll do, I'll go on remove columns and say remove columns. So it will delete my first column which is unwanted. But there can be more unwanted columns. So what you need to do, just click on control and highlight all the columns which you want to remove and simply say remove columns. Now the other thing is remove other columns. So what you need to do in this one, just click on the highlighted part and then say remove other columns. So it will remove everything except the column you have highlighted. I don't need it, so I'll erase this particular thing. Now coming to the choose columns. So choose columns, this is an important thing. Suppose you have a data set with a lot of columns and you want to jump to a particular column. So simply click on choose columns and then you can select the column you want to jump on. Let's say 24-hour. It will take you to the column you need. And now we'll be studying about rows. You see we have here keep rows and remove rows. What does it mean? So let's say you say keep rows and if you enter a certain amount, let's say 5, it means you are asking Power Query to keep only the first 5 rows of the dataset. Let's see, they have removed everything else. Similarly, if you click on keep bottom rows and let's say 5, so it will pick the last 5 rows of the dataset. Again, I'll remove this. Now, another option you get here is keep range of rows. Okay, here you can provide the range. Let's say I want it from row number 2 to row number 7. So you can see that all of my rows are gone and I only have it from row number 2 to row number 7. Here you can see it's written as 8, which is not actually the row. The row is here. This one is the row, which is 7th row. Now I'll remove this as well, and now you see we have keep duplicates. This particular thing is used when you have a dataset which have duplicate values inside it. Currently our database don't have a duplicate value, so it will not pick any duplicate value if I click it. So you see it shows that my database is clean and it doesn't have any duplicate values. I'll remove this as well. Now going to the remove rows, it works same as keep rows. The only difference is here you can remove the rows instead of keeping it. Let's try one or two examples. Let's say remove top rows and I say 4. So it will remove the top 4. So you see we are getting our entry from the 5th line. I'll remove this as well. Let's try another example. Remove alternate rows. Okay. Okay, I'll say that I want to start it with row number 3 and keep it till row number 10, and let's give 2 here. So you see here now they have filtered the things for us. So 1, 2, and then we have missed the 10 rows. Directly it coming 13, 14. Then again we will be missing 10 rows, and then 25, 26. Similarly, it will keep on going. So that's all for this video. We'll see some different things in some other videos. Thank you.